Someone asked me a question about getting an image into Microsoft Word, which we can do fairly easily, and then getting the text to be the same color as part of that image, which is a little bit harder. There's a little bit of a trick to it that I found. First, let's go ahead and bring the image in. I'm going to say Insert, Picture, and it's the leaves picture on my desktop. I'll bring that in, and I'll shrink that down some. It doesn't need to be that big. Still doesn't look quite right. I'm going to go and position it just in the upper right. Of course, you could position this how you want. You could add a border. You could do with it as you please. But we want to get this text right here to match the red in that image. Microsoft Word doesn't have any good way of doing that. But if I open up this picture right here, this is opening it up right here just in Paint. Comes with Windows, real easy to get, real easy to use. It has an eyedropper tool. I could then pick a color I want, maybe a darker red right from here so you could still read it fairly well, but it will be red and still match the picture. I could then move up to Edit Colors, and it shows me the hue, saturation, luminosity levels, and the red, green, blue. I'll use the red, green, blue, just move them off almost off the screen. Open up Microsoft Word, I could still see those numbers right there. I'll select this text. I could then change the color by going into More Colors, go into Custom, and now I could go ahead and set this to be RGB. I could also use that HSL value, but RGB works just as well. 147 we see, 48, 43. Gives us that nice red. Click OK, and now this color right here exactly matches one of the colors from that image.